everyone, my name is Riley and welcome to the XP Green Monster channel. I'm here again with Matt, and today we are going to Exotics Racing. So I can't film too much in there. You're not actually allowed to film anything, but I'll take some pictures of some of the cars and throw them up, the ones that I'm driving, the one that's Matt driving, and then we set up to get all the footage from what we're doing with the event. So we'll do that, and then we'll be back in the Subaru, do more stuff later.
Gotcha, we got 7 laps. So yeah, around the track, the way I'll be guiding you, when we reach those orange cones, just nice firm braking right there. First few laps, when you're kind of getting the feel for it, it'll be like a 30 to 40% brake pressure.
Sounds good.
Towards like the last few, once you get your speed going, you'll be almost like an 80% brake pressure there.
Okay.
And you're gonna brake all the way to that first green cone, that turning point right there. Once you reach that, that's where you begin turning it nice and smoothly all the way down to that apex on the inside of the corner. From that apex on the inside, that's where you're going to wind the wheel back out, and it's just accelerating nice and smoothly right there, too. Mirrors will be for me, like he was saying. I'll let you know about traffic as we're going.
Sounds good.
So it's just always eyes up, you know, looking where you want to go. Once we start going a little bit faster, I'll try to help keep you up ahead of the car. You're going to hear me say, like, look through the corner, turn your head, stuff like that, for example, too.
Sounds good.
Paddle shifters, do you want to use those?
Yeah.
Okay, have you ever used them before?
I mean, just on like a Subaru.
Kind of messing around?
Yeah.
Right, gotcha. So, yeah, they're not too bad. You only shift 2 times per lap. One upshift to 4th gear, one downshift to 3rd gear. That's it. It's all down on the straightaway, too. Okay. And then I'll let you know when to use them. You'll hear me say simply upshift and downshift as we're going.
Sounds good.
One last thing with this car, too, the front, or the brake is very, very tricky. When you first kind of push on it, it doesn't do one damn thing. When you push on a little bit more and the car almost stops. Okay. So people either brake too hard and we kind of stop before the corner, or not enough and we don't really make the corner. Okay. So kind of finding good middle brake pressure is kind of a trick to this one.
All right. Yeah. That's why we got 7, so we can hopefully do 2 warm-ups and then do 5.
Kind of feel it out. Right. That's the way to do it. And when we pull out of here, kind of feel free to push on the brake and kind of feel it out a little bit too.
All right.
Other than all that though, did you have any questions before we do get rolling?
I did not. No? Ready to go.
My all right, man. Car, ready for a good time? Oh, there you go. There you go. Try to check out the land. It's the best way to do it too on a racetrack, right?
Exactly.
All right, man. So to throw this thing in gear, just hold the brake, pull back that right pedal right there. I'm gonna put it in manual. There we go. You're okay on your right side. A little throttle will get it rolling, and we'll make a left down that way as well. There's just a little bump right here, and there it goes. And then we'll kind of cruise down this way towards the entrance. I think we should be okay as far as traffic coming by. Yeah, looks like we're okay on the left. Drift car is just sitting there, so we're okay. We'll go past this wall here just a little bit. About the last blue cone at the end, we'll park next to that one. All right. So yeah, right about here should be okay. Let's see what we got.
Oh yeah, I can feel that brake now.
Yeah, it's a little strange. Yeah, first lap around, yeah, feel free to kind of feel it out a little bit. Let's see, we've got a GTR right here and about 3, maybe 4 cars coming by.
Sounds good.
Is your friend already in the GTR?
I think he's probably, no, he's not in there yet, so he's waiting for it.
Right. Maybe once we do a few laps, he might be hopping in it. See, we got about 4 cars coming by, maybe 5.
Sounds good.
So yeah, Gallardo, Huracan, 430, NSX.
You guys stay this busy all week?
Pretty much.
That's amazing.
Pretty
I
much,
thought that coming during the week it would be a little
like
bit
dead.
less.
Yeah, it's from March on, this is like our March to like June, this is like one of our busy seasons right now. Everyone's trying to get a little vacation time before it gets stupid hot.
This was just our big spring break trip.
Yeah, there you go.
So pretty fun.
Let's see. Yep, you're clear actually. We can go ahead and enter here too. And we'll just hug the right side of that first blue line here just to begin with. Perfect. Then it's one up here with your right, and then it's one more up here. We're just going to make a straight line to that first green turning point. That's straight ahead. And then we're just going to wait to turn until you reach it.
Okay.
And then waiting. Then we got that next apex on your right side. Now it's getting as tight as you can to it. And then we're going to wind the wheel all the way out to the left outside edge of the track. We have one guy that just pulled out behind us. We'll let him by real quick, and then we'll be good to go right here. He's coming by right now. Yep, we're all good to go now. It's as fast as you want to go here. We'll just hug that left side. And then there'll be one upshift here with your right. And then it's braking here. One down with your left hand. And waiting. And then now turning it tight as you can to that apex on your right. And we're going to come all the way out to the left outside edge here. We'll give it full power to those orange cones now. braking here while staying on that left outside edge. It's looking for that next apex on your right, getting as tight as you can to it there. See, we have one GTR behind us. We're just gonna hug the right side right here, and he's gonna pass by in 3, 2, 1 on your left. Yep, we're all clear now of traffic. We're gonna get nice and tight to that apex on your left, just like he's doing. And now it's accelerating here back to the left-hand side, just like he's doing. And it's braking. It's gonna feel like you're waiting a long time to turn on this one. Right there, perfect. Tight as you can to your right. Let's see, one last car just caught up. We're gonna hug that right side here. Moderate throttle here is okay. We'll keep it light pace, yeah. All right, yep, we're all clear here. So we're gonna hug that right side, just like he's doing there. We're gonna turn in and then accelerate in a straight line through here. And now it's staying on that left outside edge, waiting to turn. Perfect, tight as you can to that apex on your right. And we're gonna come straight all the way out to the left side. Now more power, more power. Then fast as you wanna go again here. We'll just stay to that left side. And then it's one upshift here. Then braking here, a little bit harder pressure here. One down with your left hand. Nice, smooth, releasing the brake. Tight as you can to your right. Now all the way out to that left side. Now power, power. Beautiful. We're gonna stay left here. And then it's braking here while looking for that apex on your right. And then just easing off the brake and tight as you can. And we're gonna accelerate to your right side here. And then a little brake, scanning left. Tight as you can to that left side now. Then it's out to the center now. Power, power, more power to your left. Braking here and waiting that long time to turn, waiting. Perfect, tight as you can to your right. And then just letting it come out to the center, accelerating to your right. Let's see, we're just gonna let one guy pass, kind of let off the throttle a little bit here for me. Just gotta let him pass before that straightaway up here. And he's gonna come by right now on your left. Yep, we're all clear here now. We're gonna make that straight line here. And now staying on that left side, waiting to turn longer than him. Excellent, tight as you can to your right. Now coming all the way out to that left side, full power, fast as you can. And then it's one upshift here. Braking here, just kind of looking for that apex already. One down with your left, adding your steering in a little bit tighter down here. The reason why I kind of fought you right there, just have a little bit harder braking initially. That'll help our steer right there a little bit better.
Yep.
Now we'll hug that left side. That firm braking initially while looking for that apex on your right, getting as tight as you can there. Beautiful. Now back to that right side and more power now, more power. Now braking here straight, riding that red and white paint tight on your left. Now accelerating back to your left. Now power, power. And then braking here to that left outside edge, waiting to turn. Beautiful there, tight as you can to your right. We have our guy in the drift car behind us. We're just gonna hug your right side. Little throttle here is okay. He's gonna pass by in 3, 2, 1. There's actually one more guy behind him. We'll just let him by here. And that'll be all the traffic. Let's see. Yep, we're completely clear. So we're gonna turn in here and accelerate that straight line again. And then it's just waiting to turn here. So we're gonna get nice and tight to your right, back on the throttle here. And as you're unwinding the wheel, just nice, smooth accelerating down the full power. Upshift here. So harder braking initially here. One down with your left, waiting to turn. Tight as you can to your right, back on the throttle here. But keeping it tight, out to the left here. Now power, power, give it full power, hold it. We'll stay to that left side now. So now braking here, kind of turning your head here to the right. And just easing it into the right. We're gonna accelerate back to that right side. Now more power, more power. Now a little brake here, looking left. Tight as you can on that red and white paint. Bring it to the center, give it full power to the left. And then braking here, but waiting to turn, waiting. Now tight as you can to the right. Try giving it a little bit more power. We're gonna let it come out to the center, full power. Now back to that right side here. And then just a little brake, now accelerating straight line. And then braking to that left side, waiting to turn. Tight as you can to that apex, back on the power here. All the way out to your left, fast as you can. And then it's one up here. And then braking right here for now, harder, harder. One down, tight as you can to your right. A little bit more throttle here. All the way out left, now full power. that apex on the right, tight as you can. Then staying to that right side, and scanning to the left already with a little brake, but waiting. Now we're gonna turn in a little bit later right there next time. I'll kind of show you. We'll give it full power to the left now. And then braking here, and now just waiting. Perfect, tight as you can to your right. Now letting it come out to the center. Now full power, back to the right side here. And then just a brush of the brake, turning and now accelerating. And then braking to that left side and looking to the right. Tight as you can to the right here, a little bit more power. All the way out to your left, fast as you can again. Beautiful on that one. And then it's one up here. And then braking right here, firm here, one down with your left. Tight as you can to the inside to your right. Now coming all the way out left, full power. Beautiful there. And then braking right here firm. Just nice, smooth, releasing it. Tight as you can. We're gonna stay to that right side here. We're gonna wait to turn here. So just a little brake, so waiting. Tight as you can to your left, tight, there you go, perfect. Now power to the left. And now braking right here and waiting. Tight as you can to your right with a little throttle here. And now to the center, now full power. And back to that right side here. And just that little brake, now straight line, accelerating. Then braking here, but waiting to turn. Easing it in, now back on the power here, a little bit more, all the way out to the left here. Let's go get that Huracan down there, fast as you can. And then it's one up here. And then braking right here, firm, one down here, nice, smooth, releasing. Add a little more steering down here, all the way out left, full power. And then we'll get behind him up here as well. And then it's braking here, looking in front of him for that apex on your right. Now tight as you can right there. They should be able to see us soon. There you go, left side, we'll pass them. Now power. And just a little brake here, we're clear. You're gonna get nice and tight to your left on the inside. One last time, full power to the left here. And then it's braking right here. And that was actually our last time around right there too. So we're gonna be exiting on the right side of that yellow cone, straight as you're pointed. We're gonna just follow this path where we took it from. There'll be a left down that way there too. So what'd you think?
That was amazing.
Not too bad?
That was incredible.
We'll kind of cruise straight down here too. It's addicting too, because every lap, just a little bit quicker, a little bit quicker.
I know. I was getting so much of the rhythm. It's like last time. It's like, oh.
Right. We'll go behind those Porsches down here, and then we're gonna make a right down this way. We'll cruise through here, and then we'll park her on the left side of that gray Lamborghini, and number 19, I think it is. Yeah, right on down this spot here should be perfect. There's that little kind of red stripe on the ground. We'll let the wheel kind of roll up onto it. Should be about there. Should be okay.
Did you guys drive any of the cars here today?
Yeah, I did the Gallardo and then he rode the
GTR. Awesome. All right, here we go. I hope you guys have a good week out here, man.
Oh,
Thanks for
yeah.
coming out.
Oh yeah, of course. That was a... All right, hey everyone. Back home again. So I didn't pick up the camera and record that much because me and Matt went out to the strip. I didn't want to carry the camera around while we were out walking on the strip of Las Vegas. We went to Count's Customs, and then, like I said, we just walked it for a little while, and that's about all we did. Picked up some gifts for Emmy and then for Matt's girlfriends as well, obviously, and just kind of experienced it. Matt had never been to Las Vegas before, so that was a big thing for him. So that's kind of what our plan was that day. We went to, like I said, Count's Customs, and there was a white Countach S, a black Countach Lamborghinis, a Shelby that was in very clean condition, and then some slammed car that I really liked. I can't remember what it was off the top of my head right now, but it was a really nice bagged car with really great paint on it. And yeah, so then we drove home yesterday, and I didn't record any of that. It was just a long drive. We were both exhausted. And now I'm home. I'm going to start do a little bit of work on the truck that I'm going to film. You guys are going to get to see it. And then that'll be about it for this one. Well, this is the ending to that one. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.